Welcome to another body doubling session. Today I am going to be organizing my samples for the TikTok videos that I shoot. I don't know if you know this, but I also do TikTok shop videos, so I get a lot of samples in the mail constantly. And today we're going to attempt to organize them on this rolling wooden shelf that I built. All right, so here we go. Go get your water, pause the video, go get your water, and maybe a snacky if you're hungry, but definitely water because we're going to work on hydration. And I'm going to set a timer on this handy dandy visual timer that I love. And I'm going to put it for like 3 minutes. We're going to drink water in 3 minutes. And if you guys see anything in the video that you like and you want me to put links to any of this stuff, I will put the links in the description for you. Just put a comment and let me know. So, oh my gosh, this is like so overwhelming. All right, so first up, we've got a baby car monitor. So when I made this shelf, I tried to think of like all the different size products I would be getting. And I did my best to try and accommodate the most products as possible. And that's what I am attempting to do right now, is get them all. That doesn't fit there. All right, well, we'll keep it there. Okay, so then we've got teeth whitening strips. I think I should do it in like something that makes sense. So I've got a toothbrush as well that came with, here's the toothbrush. It is an Aquasonic, and I actually really love this toothbrush. I keep it here because I don't know if you know this, but you don't really need toothpaste. It's like a great thing to have, but you don't really need it. So I just keep my toothbrush here, and I just brush my teeth constantly throughout the day, like after I eat and if I feel something in my teeth. So I just keep this one here, and it comes with extra brush heads and a charging base. So I'm going to put that up here. Right there. And then we're going to put the teeth whitening strips next to it, which makes sense, right? Right there. So we'll have the teeth section right there. And then we've got dry shampoo. I did not make this thing, I didn't make the shelves tall enough. I should have made them a little bit taller, but what are you going to do? Live and learn. Next time I will. All right, this one, rice water conditioner. And I know I have a rice water shampoo around here somewhere, which is frustrating that they're not together. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I've got rice water shampoo and conditioner. So we'll put them, again, they're too tall. We'll have to figure out a solution for them. So we'll just leave those guys over there for now. Oh, another toothpaste. This is fine salt ampule toothpaste. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm excited to try it. So we're going to try and put that right here next to the other tooth stuff. Hopefully you guys are getting stuff done too, and it's not just me. And that is our timer for drinking water. So grab your water, get some hydration. Whew, it's cold. I just filled it from the Brita in my kitchen. That's cold. All right, another 3 minutes. Okay, now we've got, this is hair helper spray. It's supposed to, it's got caffeine and biotin in it, and I'm thinning up here on either side. And so I've been using this and minoxidil, which is another great product. This is minoxidil. It's also great for thinning hair. So we're going to put both of those right here. And this is where we're going to start a hair section. This is another minoxidil from a different brand. Leafy, turmeric, and ginger. That is something you put in your mouth, so a supplement. So I'm going to put that down here. Methylene blue, another supplement. I'm going to put that down here. This is something that I put in a spray bottle and I didn't label it. What do we think this is? It's not. Oh man, I don't even remember doing it. I know I put hypochlorous acid in this one because I labeled it. Because I was smart whenever I did that. What did I put in here? Oh, guys. Oh, you know what? I think I put in here? Yes. I put Medicube Pink Soothing Toner in here. That's what I did. So I'm going to label it right now because I don't want to have this situation again. So this is the Medicube. And the reason I put it in a separate spray bottle is because I want to have one here where I do a lot of my videos and then one in the bathroom. All right, Medicube Toner. And this is part of the reason why I always wear an apron, because when I have my apron on, I know I have everything I'm going to need with me pretty much. I've got scissors, I've got a place for my microphone, I've got my permanent marker and my pencil, and I normally have a pen here too, but I seem to have lost it. All right, got my toner, put that right there. And then, let's see, tone brightening capsule ampule. This is for your face, so if it'll fit, it kind of fits. I don't want to put it. I'll put it down here. So this was supplements and stuff. This is glue. Hot. I was gonna say hot glue. It's not hot glue. It's super glue. So I'll put that right there for now. And for now, oh, that's our water. Wow, that was quick. All right, grab some water, guys. This is, I guess, how hydrated people feel. Like, oh, I have to drink more water. Whew. All right, do another. Let's do 4 minutes this time. But yeah, we're gonna be hydrated by the end of this. All right, next up is Rose Hydrosol Toner. I love this. This is for face. So I'm gonna put it, man, I made these just a little too short. Okay, so this is gonna be the face shelf right here. And so I'm gonna move these supplements down to this, where they don't fit down here. They fit. Okay, and then toner I'll put back for now. Black seed oil capsules. So that is a supplement. This is cranberry supplement. This is rosemary keratin shampoo. So that is tall. So it's going to go up here. And I'm going to move these other short things down here. This is NAD plus, another supplement that's going to go down here. Okay. This is Innovaj Anti-Aging Night Cream. I'm going to put that right here by the other face stuff. This is texturizer for your hair. I don't have a hair one yet, so I'll do this shelf as my hair one. And then, let's see, Tighten and Lift Neck Cream. That'll go in your face. Mushroom gummies. That's a supplement. More mushroom gummies. That's also a supplement. And then got this bubble maker. That'll go up top. These are all things that I've gotten from TikTok as free samples. So I make videos to promote these items. This is a flashlight, and I put screws on the side of this thing, so I'll hang the flashlight right there. This is Zit Sticka. These are zit patches. I'm going to put that in the face section. Let's see, what else do we have? Milk Thistle. This is a supplement. I'll have to lay down, I think. This is, oh, I love this. This is my scratcher book. I do this kind of at the end of the day to help wind down. Let's see, so this is the page I'm working on right now. Isn't that fun? It's just that black paper that you just scratch off. I really enjoy it. If you like this, I'll put the link in the comments. And then here is honey. This is an eye drop that really stings. I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't think I'm gonna promote that one because it's really stings so bad. Oh, this is a lip tint. They say it's supposed to sting, but I just don't like the sting. So I'm gonna do lip tint next to the face stuff. Here's an eyebrow trimmer in the face stuff. Here is turmeric soap. We don't have like a, I'll put that there. And then, let's see, what else? Oh, these are probiotic gummies for women. So that's a supplement. All right, we're getting close to Clean It Zero. This is a face cream cleaner. Here are beef liver pills. That's a supplement as well. But will it fit? Is the question. I don't know that it will. There we go. Okay. And then we've got, oh good, that's empty, that's empty. Okay, now we've just got this whole thing. Where we're at? We're at 9 minutes. So I'm trying to keep all my things to 10 minutes. So I'm going to be shutting her down here in a minute, but I'll make another video. So don't worry, just go to the next video if you want to continue working on whatever you're working on. This is the glycolic acid pads, and they're going to go in the face shelf, and that is our water timer. So grab your water, stay hydrated. And if you have any questions, this is a vitamin C serum. If you have any questions about TikTok Shop or being an affiliate, or how I made my rolling shelf that's double-sided, anything like that, just put it in the comments. Let me know. If you want any other information about some some of the products that I love or get links to any of the products I showed today, just let me know and I will put that in the description, and I'll see you in my next video.